Hey, and welcome back to Godson Graphics. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to work with the pen tool. So simply shortcut for pen tool is P, pen P. We are on our pen tool now. So this is how it comes out. Pen tool can be used to draw, can be used for freehand sketching, can be used to make selections almost perfectly, or if not perfectly. So what you gotta do is to start your point. If you want to draw with your pen tool, we are planning to draw anything. Now this is how pen tool works. Once you click your first point, you click your second point. If you make a mistake, you can press the backspace to cancel it. Then you can continue. You click on that point again, then you continue your drawing. Now, what will happen to you is that see this stretched out line here, it makes it continue your drawing. But the way to discontinue is to come to this point, click on Alt. You see that curve beside the pen, then you click on the point. Just click down on Alt, then click on that point. I hope you understand. Now this is the effect of that. It helps you restart your drawing. If you are coming down here, it is coming down as if the previous point is your first one. You understand? Now let me show you what that means from here. Now zooming, I'm drawing this point now, but I'm not canceling this one. But I want to come, say, this way. You can see it went this way first. Instead of the way this one came directly to where I wanted it to come, this one went this other way. It had to take that turn like that. See the way this one, I can move this one in a straight line. You cannot have a straight line if you did not cut this curve. It has to come, bend that way, and make it smooth on its own. That's what Photoshop will do for you. To end your selection, you come back to this point, you click on it, you right click, choose whatever you want it to be. Is it, do you want to fill the parts, the space where you have this thing? Do you want it to have maybe a color, or do you want that lines having a stroke? You know what a stroke is? Stroke is just a line around the path. Do you want to make selection? Make selection is for when you are cutting out a shape. I understand. If you are cutting out something from a background, then you make selection. Either you want your radius to be 1, or you want it to be feathered. You can have maybe 1 or 2, but normally 0 should be okay. Then you have your line, your half line. If you want to cut this out from this background, just click on the padlock icon here to release this. Then you can go back to move to. You can see your pen already having a scissors. Then you can easily cut it out. I hope you understand that you can easily cut that out. Just that way. Worry about that's basically how to use your pen tool. Now the pen tool might not be something you can easily do just by first try. Give yourself time, learn it, understand the course, understand why you need to cut these off, move to the next point, understand what to do when you click on the next point. If you understand that, you can make many magics with the pen tool. You can always remove a point as well, though. You can always readjust a point like this. So I use backspace there. I click on this, then I can now join it together. Now let me see what this will make. If I'm filling path. Going to ask you, do you want to use the foreground color? The foreground color is the color here, the green one. The background color is the color here, the orange one. If you don't want to use any one of the two, you can come down and choose black, or you can go to color. Then you can pick any color that you want from your color palette. Then there we go. Just press backspace to remove it. Then you have this. Now the reason why this is moving together is because I didn't create a layer. Okay, so let me create a layer. Then I can now fill this. Go back to your pen tool. Then fill part. The color option is already there. Then we have this. Press backspace to remove the outline. Then you can move this around. You can easily create a logo with this. All you have to do is to have your concept in mind. Then you go to your pen tool and sketch out whatever you want. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, do well to subscribe and share. Thank you.